Are you looking to make your money work harder for you? Diversifying your investments is the key to building wealth and financial security. In this video, we'll explore 7 unique investment opportunities that can boost your financial future. From traditional options like land and wine to modern choices like cryptocurrency and startups, there's something for everyone. Welcome to Creative Cruise. Let's dive in. Number 1. Land. Investing in land has been a time-tested strategy for wealth accumulation. Unlike other assets, land is finite and tends to appreciate over time. The benefit you'll have when you invest in land is that it's a tangible asset that doesn't depreciate. You'll have the stability of cash flow since land has an unlimited value. In the history of humanity, land is an investment opportunity that keeps appreciating in value, and the constant increase of this value provides you with constant capital gain. Before buying a land, you should consider looking for an area with a potential growth, so that when you develop it or lease the property, there will be people willing to pay you for the convenience they get by using your land. Number 2. Wine. Wine investment has gained popularity due to its potential for high returns and its status as a luxury asset. Fine wines have in the past outperformed traditional markets. It also provides a high return to investors. Wine investment tends to retain value during economic downturns, giving the investor an hedge against inflation because the longer the wine, the higher the value. Make sure you research on how to store wine properly to maintain its value, so that you can enjoy your investment while it appreciates. Number 3. Jewelry. Jewelry, especially pieces with historical significance or from renowned brands, can be a lucrative investment. Jewelry can be worn and enjoyed. Some families pass jewelries from generation to generation because jewelry are tangible assets that appreciate. High-quality pieces often increase in value. When there's a need for emergency, you can easily sell or pawn your asset if needed. Before you invest in jewels, stay updated on the market trends and invest in pieces with certificates of authenticity. Number 4. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency represents a modern and dynamic investment opportunity with significant growth potential. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be smart but risky. You'll need a grounded understanding of the coin you wish to invest in. Cryptocurrencies can offer exponential returns depending on the coins. You only run the risk of the coins crashing or a sudden change in market prices. To invest in crypto, choose which cryptocurrency exchange you want to use, open an account, fund with fiat money, buy your choice crypto coin, and you are on your way to wealth. One of the reasons you should invest in cryptocurrency is because it is free from government control and manipulation. Investing in blockchain technology is a numerous way to diversify your investment portfolio. Number 5. Franchise. Franchising allows you to invest in a proven business model with brand recognition and support. You can be a franchisee by investing in a business system. This process involves distributing products or services between a franchisor, who creates the brand's trademark and a business system, and your franchisee, who pays a fee for the right to do business under the franchisor's name and system. It reduced risk with a known brand, and the franchisors provide training and resources. This is an investment opportunity you could harness and own multiple locations. One of the advantages of having multiple locations is the amount of profit you'll make through the traffic your business is pulling. Number 6. Invest in startup business. Investing in startups can yield high returns and allow you to be part of innovative ventures. Entrepreneurs or new firms may not have enough capital to start their businesses. If you have enough money, you can give loans to these companies. However, the return on your investment depends on their success. If the business fails, you may lose your money. The bottom line is to invest as much money as you are willing to lose. This is a smart investment because you have nothing to do. You are only putting your money to work. Startups can offer substantial returns if they succeed. So be part of groundbreaking developments. Number 7. Art. Sometimes you wonder, why do people spend so much millions to buy paintings or sculpture at auction? Art is an attractive investment for the rich in the past decades. Nevertheless, you have to do your homework properly before venturing into it. Don't focus your attention on one artist. Become familiar with various mediums and styles. Watch carefully to see if they are or will be of value in the nearest future. The price of art fluctuates, just like every other investment. If you don't have the money to invest in a Picasso, you can buy artists that lack lofty pedigrees. that can be a wise move. The infamous artist today can be the Van Gogh of tomorrow. The key is to look at the perspective, color, and composition of a work of art. Buy reasonably priced items and take care of the art you buy. Diversifying your investments across various asset classes can help you build a robust and resilient portfolio. From the stability of land to the high-growth potential of startups and cryptocurrency, each investment type offers unique benefits. Remember, thorough research and a well-thought-out strategy are key to maximizing your returns. Start exploring these opportunities today and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more personal finance and investment tips. Leave a comment below with your favorite investment opportunity or any questions you have. Let's grow our wealth together. See you in the next video.